The internet is flooded with one-pot recipes. Today, let's make a Filipino version of a one-pot dish, chicken and rice, or tinola rice. Let's start cooking. Practically a whole chicken. So, it's dalawang chicken legs and 2 chicken breasts. So, season it, set it aside, and now let's saute our aromatics. With a little oil, I'll start off with my ginger, onions, lots of onions, a little bit of garlic. If you have tanglad, you add tanglad or lemongrass. Wait until it's translucent and very aromatic. And I'm using 2 cups of rice. So it's almost like a Hainanese chicken rice, pero made into a Pinoy version. So I'll add my rice. This is 2 cups of rice. Season it with a little bit of salt. Saute our rice. And we will add our water. So for our water, we are using around 3 cups of water. And we are adding our chicken bouillon. And I'm using 2 cubes of our Maggi Magic Chicken. So add it here for flavor. So easy to use. Season with a bit of patis as well. There to make sure that our chicken cube is dissolved, our bouillon. Let's taste a little bit of taste so we know that the flavors are right. Of course, it's going to be better when we cook our chicken in it, diba? It's good. It's going to be even better when we add our chicken. So, I will also add my green chilies. Just add it there. And I will arrange my chicken pieces on top. So, it will cook and infuse the flavor of the chicken into our rice. Arrange lang natin over our rice. Breast. Yan. And sabay na maluto yung ating chicken and our rice. And we will add our vegetables later. Our tinola rice is halfway done. I will just add my vegetables. So, meron akong sayote just to steam. Pero ito, we will serve it as a side. And let's check on our tinola rice. Look at that. So our vegetables are done. Tatabi ko siya. So this will be our siding. We don't want it to be overcooked. Our rice is almost done. And our chicken, we will drop it in an ice bath to stop the cooking for a perfect presentation. And we have our rice. Look at that. Almost done ating rice. Perfect lang yung pagkaluto niya. And now we will add our chili leaves to our rice. Yan. I will just season with a little bit of black pepper. Yan. Konti na lang to. In na lang to. Taste. Almost. Let's check. The rice looks fluffy. Okay naman. And now let's prepare our chicken. So my chicken is cooked but not overcooked. So let's slice it into pieces. So we can remove the bone if you want. So, remove ba natin? Huwag na natin i-remove. Just slice it into pieces. So we can fan it on the plate. So medyo parang Hainanese inspired. Now we are ready to plate. Meron tayong ating tinola rice with our dahon ng sili. Have our nicely poached chicken on the side. Beautiful. And a bit of steamed vegetables. Is it as good as Hainanese chicken rice? Let me taste. Masarap siya. Nagawa ko siyang masarap. Let me taste the meat. So it's not like the traditional tinola that we boil the chicken until it's overcooked. But this one, we kind of like steamed and drop it in an ice bath so it's still very nice and moist. Taste natin. Reminds me of Hainanese chicken but tastes very much like a tinola. It's very nice. It's a different way of preparing your tinola but still very satisfying And it's still very comforting kahit wala siyang soup. Ewan ko ba. Diyan muna kayo, kakain muna ako ah.